Hello guys, welcome back. So today tutorial will be on this trending gele style that I saw on Instagram, so I decided to show you guys how to tie it. So I start creating my pleat first. The ratio for this gele is 70-30 guys. One hand has to be longer than the other hand. So at the front there, I'm creating like V-shaped gele there. So this is how you are going to cross the hand. So the 30 parts of the hand will be under, while the 70 parts will be at the top. Just look at what I'm doing guys. This gele is very easy, it's not hard. If you just look at this process very well. So I'm crossing the hand guys. So I'm bringing the 30 parts on top of it now. So I'm creating pleats. So like I said before, if you want to do your V-gele shape guys, the number of pleats that you created first must be the same number of pleats that you are going to create when placing it on top. So this is what I'm doing guys, this is what I'm saying. So like I create 5 pleats, but now because of this style we are going to create much pleats there now. So I'm using office pin to secure it there. So I'll start creating pleats. Because of this style guys, you have to make the pleats to be much. So look at what I'm doing guys. So I'm creating more pleats now. I'm creating more pleats. I'm still creating pleats. Just keep on creating your pleats. Keep on creating your pleats. Just keep on creating pleats. Create pleats as much as you can there. And the joining of this gele that I'm using guys is 4 line. It's 4 line of the joining is 4 line guys. So I noticed you guys did not really like makeup look, and I really love doing makeup guys. So let me know at the comment section if you really want me to be uploading makeup look for you guys. Let me know. Let's be doing something fun on my YouTube channel. It should not be all about gele. Let's be doing something fun guys. So let me know at the comment section if you want me to be uploading more of makeup look for you guys. Let me know. So yeah, I'm trying to make the gele to be high guys. So I'm trying to make the gele to be high. So I will tell my student to hold it down there, then go back and adjust it. So I'll be using office pin to adjust it at the back here. This is what I'm saying guys. So I'll be using office pin to hold it. That is the SS, and I'm using office pin to pin it down there. So if you have any question, let me know at the comment section below guys. So now I'm back to the front again. I'm trying to adjust the plate now. I'm trying to make it to be high. So if we are tying this gele, you just have to be patient. So don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. You just have to be patient when tying this gele. Don't say that okay, you want to be in haste to tie it. You will not get it very well. Just take your time, cool down and tie it. So I'm still trying to make it to be high there. I'm trying to adjust it to see. So now I'm using my needle and thread. If you watch my previous gele tutorial, you will notice that most of these our gele that is trending now, you need needle and thread to secure it very well. So I'm using needle and thread there now guys. So doing this, you just have to take your time. It will cut now. So I'm back now to adjust it again. So just take your time, just once, Just one time is okay. Just once is okay. So just tie it like that. I'll be using now scissors to cut it now. So I've cut it, guys. So the next thing now, the excess hand now, it's not on top of the pleat, so guys, it's at the back of the pleat. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. It's at the back, not on top of the previous pleat that I created. Just I'm creating pleats now, so I'll be placing it at the back, not on top. Oh guys, take note of this, not on top, it's at the back. It's at the back. Just take note of that now, guys. Take note of that. It's at the back. I'm still setting it, guys. So I'm still setting it. So now I want to use office pin to secure it there. Guys, look at how I'm sweating. Upon this my video now, some of you will not comment. Try to comment, let me know. Let me know maybe what I'm doing is very good or not good. Just let me know at the comment section. Comment, guys, please. Help your girl, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at Glam Beauty 30 Makeover. Glam Beauty 30 Makeover. Follow me, follow your girl. Help me to grow on my Instagram page, please follow your girl. So the 30 part of the other side now, I'm creating pleats now. I'm creating pleats. I'm creating pleats now. I'm still creating pleats. Just take your time, guys. Just take your time. Jesus. Look at how I'm sweating. It is well. So just take your time, guys. Take your time. Create your pleats. So this pleating that I'm creating now, I'm placing it at the back of the gele, not at the front. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. You will understand. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. So I'm still creating pleats. I'm very sorry if you are not seeing what I'm doing. I'm just creating pleats the way we do create our pleats. So that is what I'm doing here, guys. I'm still creating the pleats. I'm so sorry if you are not seeing it. So it's just our normal way of creating pleats. So but I'll be removing the office pin the office pin there now, for me to adjust the gele very well. I'm adjusting the plate now. I will now place it at the back. Just look at what I'm doing, guys, at the back. So now I'm adjusting the plate now. I'm adjusting it. I'm extending the plate now. Adjust it, extend it, adjust it. Now I'm back here now to adjust the plate, guys. This gele, you just have to take time and you have to be patient if you want to get this gele very well. You know, me tying it here is my first time. I'm very sure if I tie it next time now, the pleating will be very okay, more than this. But I just say, okay, let me show you guys how to tie it here. So if you are tying yours, just take your time. So the excess hand now, I'm rolling it and I'll be using office pin to hold it down there. I'll be using office pin to hold it down there. So that is what I'm doing now. So I'm adjusting it. So this is the finished look of the gele. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share my video with your loved ones. This is the finished look, guys. Please comment, and I love you guys. God bless you.